Hi, Brad Goodman here with Goodman Metal Products. Today we're going to be looking at cutting brass material. A lot of us cut stainless, aluminum, carbon steel. Brass is one of those things that it's not the easiest metal to cut on the laser, but it can be done. I'm not going to say that the very first test plate we cut was perfect, but after a while running tests and changing different things, we're able to achieve a really nice cut on the brass. And today we're going to cut I got some test parts here up on the screen. These parts, they're just square parts that have a slot and two simple holes in them, but they're great for dialing in new material. We'll cut 3 of these test parts, and what you'll want to watch when you're doing these, since brass is such a highly reflective material, I'll share a couple of things we had to do to get it to cut and cut the way we wanted it to cut. The one thing we had to do was had to go down a nozzle size. I went up, initially started to cut this with a 2.0 nozzle, and we figured out we had to go down a nozzle size to help with the reflectiveness of the material, so the reflectiveness wouldn't go back up into the head of the laser and cause us to have a trip condition on our laser controller. We can also, what you'll want to do when you're cutting brass is you'll want to go to your Max Photonics G6 software. And here it actually shows, when you're cutting the material, it'll show you the reflective voltage. And what you're shooting for is you want to keep that under 3 volts or less. If you're over 3 volts, it's going to cause a trip condition on your controller. But for right now, we've got a piece of brass on the table. Let's go cut a couple of test parts and see how we do. All right, so we've got our test part here, and let's look it over. So we've got some really great cut edges. They're all smooth. The holes look fantastic. I don't think you'd ask for a better cut part on brass. This is 1/8 inch brass. Like we talked about earlier, brass is a highly reflective material, but don't be scared to try it. It's with the set points we shared earlier, it should get you in the ballpark for cutting brass materials. One thing I do want to share about this is when you're cutting brass, brass is made up of copper and zinc. You need to be really careful when you're cutting brass. The zinc does give off a gas, so wear a respirator, make sure your machine is highly ventilated. You don't want to take any chances with that. If you have any questions about cutting the brass, reach out to ShopSabre, talk to the tech guys. Thanks for watching.